Hello guys, I'm James from Homeseller. Today I'm in this HDB 4-room flat located at Block 224 Jurong East Street 21, and the size of this flat is 980 square feet. So let me show you this place. So immediately coming into this entrance itself, so you'll be greeted with this spacious living room area. So over here you can see that there is the kitchen and then the master bedroom by the side. They even have they keep the storeroom over here, so which is actually well kept right now. Okay, over here. Then the good thing about this unit is, first of all, you have unblocked view throughout, whether is it the front or the back. So let me just show it to you. So the high floor over here is actually higher than the other block. So you can actually see that you have unblocked view, okay, not just in living room itself. Let me just show you the different bedroom. So even over here, also same view unblocked view. Then coming to the other bedroom on the other side. So you can see it's also unblocked view. Okay, so you got a lot of sky view throughout. So this house is actually very well maintained by the owner itself. And then you have direct lift landing okay. So each floor also have a lift landing. Last time don't have one, so now I have already. So it's more convenient for you, and there's only one neighbors just beside you okay. So this is a door-to-door facing unit. So let me just show you the living room again. Okay, so this is the kind of space that you're getting. Okay, so staying in this part of the Jurong East is very convenient because first of all, it's Jurong East, it's not Jurong West or even Boon Lay. Okay, so it's nearer to the Jurong East Central. Okay, and beside that, right across the road, you have the Yihua Village, whereby all your shops, the amenities are all over there. Okay, so whatever you want to buy will be available at the Yihua Village. Okay, so it's that convenient. Alright, so in Homeseller, we help HDB homeowner to sell your house for 1,999, condo for 4,999, and landed for 9,999. Okay, do share and like, and also check out our Google review for more interesting content. Bye bye.